Hey, yo, we are back in the fridge. So you know what that means. It is TikTok time, and today we are doing the viral sushi bake. I'm stoked about this one. It's got millions and millions of views. Everybody's trying it, so I figured let's go ahead and try it. We'll make it, we'll rate it, and then we'll sauce up and remake it ourselves with some other additions to it. Let's waste no more time. Let's go. What's going on, everybody? My name is Farnum. This is More Seasoning. I just got my first tattoo. It's lit. We're gonna go ahead and watch this TikTok for the sushi bake. Let's waste no more time.
Anytime I make my sushi bake recipe.
Okay, the imitation crab right off the rip, though.
Because if you bring it to a family gathering, people are gonna love you. I forgot to mention.
She's talking her shit.
Rice. Back to the imitation crab.
Okay, we got the sushi rice on deck.
Shred it like this.
I've never seen anybody shred imitation crab this way. This is ingenious.
Chop it into tiny, tiny, tiny pieces.
Okay, fine chop, scoop it up.
This is what I'm putting into the bowl. Do not substitute.
I mean, these are great toppings, so this is
And I'll put the measurements on the screen.
Then
I mix. This takes a while. This is what I put in to the rice.
Okay. Oh, she's making fire rice. That's how you make good sushi rice. Come on.
Now I'm sprinkling some furikake over the top of the rice.
Furikake.
I put on the imitation
Not a hairy.
crab. More furikake. More sriracha.
Okay.
Fucked up on the mayo.
Okay, she's going in with the
Broil it for 10 minutes.
Okay,
This is
broil?
what it ended up looking like. So to
This
eat
looks
it,
crazy.
grab a little bit and you put it on a seaweed.
On the seaweed, though. Yeah. Yeah. This thing right here, it looks like it's gonna smack like a pissed off pimp. I don't know if I can say that actually. All right, first up, we've got our short grain sushi rice. And all we're gonna do is pour 3 cups of that into our sushi maker. And now we gotta give this a little scrub a dub. Okay, listen, we want rice and not milk. And right now, we've got milk. That's because there's a ton of starch on this rice. So what we have to do is we have to massage it off, rinse and rub. That sounded kind of crazy. Anyway, we're just gonna wash the rice just like that in the water, and it's just gonna remove all that starch. It's gonna take a couple minutes, but it's gonna make sure that that rice is cooked perfectly. Hi, how's your day going? We're just gonna go ahead and make sure that you're
Thank you.
nice and warm right there, and then just tell me how the pressure is. We're trying to relieve stress and starch from you.
Yeah, I feel great.
Pressure's good?
The pressure's
great.
Oh, don't stop. Oh my God. Oh, right in there. Oh yeah, right between those grains. Oh.
How's the pressure?
I can already feel my starch getting loose.
It's good. All right, so the goal is to have your water clean. Now we put our rice in. Should take about 40 minutes. Let's get to the rest of it. We've got an imitation crab stick. Let's go ahead and try to shred this up with a fork. Insert and drag. Uh-oh, it's not. Guess it's working a little bit. I don't know. Let me try to grab a bigger fork. Hold on. Okay, so the fork trick didn't work. So basically what I've been doing, check it out. We take the blade, I slice it right down the middle, just like that. Slice it again, a slice just like that. So now we've got a pile of fake crab and we're just gonna hit this with a fine chop. It's a snow crab avalanche, baby. Scoop it up into the bowl, whoa, whoa. All right, so just so you guys know, I'm cutting her recipe in half so we're not wasteful. So this is about half of the imitation crab. So we're doing 1.5 ounces of cream cheese. Next, we got about half a teaspoon of wasabi. Next, we got about 6 tablespoons of some Kewpie Mayo. And next, we just got a fine chop 1.5 green onions. Scoop it up into the bowl. And now, we mix. All right, our rice is done. Let's check it out. All we do is press the little magic button and voila. We got that steamy, perfect rice. We gotta go ahead and mix this up just to get that steam out. That way it doesn't get mushy. Now it is time to do the rice concoction. These are the 3 ingredients. We got some rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. It doesn't really say what to do, but I'm going to assume we pour them in here and mix it up because I don't want to just pour like dry salt and sugar all over the rice. All right, it's about as good as it's gonna get. So now we're just gonna go ahead and pour it onto this rice. And now we're gonna give it a mix. All right, so we're gonna use half of this for the first bake. And we're gonna put it right into our cast iron. Hopefully this is not too big. I think we'll be good. There we go, beautiful. Go ahead and spread it. Next, we got some furikake. Let's go ahead and sprinkle this all over the rice. Now this just adds a lot of flavor. It's got some seaweed, some salt, some sesame seeds, basically everything you need for sushi. A nice little liberal coat of that furikake. What's it called when a shellfish is pissed off? Crabby. I'm sorry, let's go. Crab into the pan, just like that. Hopefully we got enough. Living on a hope and a prayer right now. Ladies and gentlemen, like the letter after A, this was meant to be the perfect fit. I'm coming back in with that Furikake and we're making it rain like Fat Joe and Lil Wayne in 2006. And then we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna hit it with that beautiful drizzle, just like that. Absolutely. It's not a quarter pounder, but it is Kewpie. We're going in with another drizzle. Let's get it. My Kewpie don't drizzle. It folds. All right, she doesn't tell us what we're broiling it on. I put it on medium. Let's give it a little smell test before we put it in. This smells amazing. Amazing. Let's go. Put it in, shove it, close it, pray. All right. What the hell? This has been in there for 4 minutes.
Oh my God.
And ladies and gentlemen, this is why you can't follow a TikTok verbatim, because there's no specifics. I put it on medium. I didn't even put it on high for 4 minutes. And look at this, we're seared. If you're gonna create content, you gotta give some direction, because let's say somebody was making this for their family and this comes out burnt like that, the dinner's ruined. So obviously I could just kind of scrape this away. I'll add a little more Sriracha and mayo and we'll give it a taste test, but that's definitely a little disappointing. Ladies and gentlemen, you hear that spooky music. It's time for the taste test. The only type of weed that I ingest, seaweed. Get your head out of the gutter. Here we go. I'm going in with this burnt casserole type vibe. Okay, there we go. I mean, it's steaming, it's dreaming. Sushi bake in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's really, really good. I need another one. Damn, that is good. You want to star scale it? 4? That's still pretty damn good.
The only reason I'm saying 4 is because the burnt stuff on top.
Well, I kind of scraped it away.
I would say it's a 5.
Really? You would give that a 5 just like that?
You know me. Crab, it's got a little bit of spice.
So there's nothing that I could do to make this better?
I'll put even more crab in it.
All right, so here's my breakdown. I'll make it simple. We're giving this a 3.5 star. It's good. I got nothing bad to say as far as the flavor goes. It's just a little plain Jane for me. I feel like we could add a few more things to really bring this up a couple more levels. And also that rice to crab ratio, it wasn't enough crab. The rice kind of just dulled everything out. So we're gonna sauce this up our own way. Let's go. So after tasting that sushi bake, this is the mindset I want you to have when you make yours. What do you like your sushi to taste like? You got it? That's what we're gonna do to our sushi bake. So you could customize this however you want. I think a little avocado, maybe some eel sauce when it's done, some extra condiments, maybe a little soy sauce. I think it could really amp this thing up to another level. And also we're gonna use some fresh crab. I don't know about you, but I'd rather have crabs in my hands than crabs in my pants. Whoa, hey, anyway, listen, I think one upgrade that we could do to this is add real fresh crab. I got some snow crab right here. Let's get it cracking. So I like to grab the tip, whoa, pull that out, and then we just pinch, squeeze, voila, meat. Next section, crack it open, just like that. Sometimes you get lucky with these, sometimes you don't. Just grab some scissors, hit both sides, scoop it out into the bowl. All right, we got our fresh real crab cracked in here. Now I'm going with 2 times the amount of onion that she used, so I got about 4 pieces. I'ma hit it with a fine chop, scoop it into the bowl. Next, we got 2.5 ounces of cream cheese, but also if you look back there, that's Evander. All right, we're gonna do 3/4 teaspoon wasabi, 3/4 cup Kewpie Mayo. Then I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of some soy sauce, and now we mix. Next, we got an avocado. Let's just pray this thing isn't brown. Yo, we can rock with that. Watch this, ready? Perfect, let's go. All right, now we're gonna slice this into some strips, and then we're gonna hit it with a cube. 8 sides, baby. All right, let's get it. We're gonna put this bad boy together. I'm going in with this rice. Now this is the same rice that we seasoned before, so we got the same vibes, same seasoning. Instead of going straight to the crab, we're going Furikake. We are going Sriracha, we're going Kewpie, and now we go crab. We back at it with that Furikake. Hit it with that sir, yes Sriracha. Hit it with that Q. Okay, this does smell different than the last one. That real crab definitely smells like real crab. So we're gonna switch it up. We are going to go to broil. We're gonna broil it on low. And I'm gonna put it on the middle rack. That way I can keep a little bit better eye on it and we can monitor that and get it to the perfect crispiness and not burnt. I don't know what this is, but That's where we're at. All right, here we go. It is out of the oven. I ended up putting it on a medium broil for about 2 minutes at the end just to go ahead and crisp that up a little bit. It smells incredible, but like I said, I wanna customize this like I would have my sushi. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of avocado to the top, just like that, baby. That looks gas. And then just to level it up one last little bit, I got my eel sauce. I'm just gonna go ahead and hit this with a fine drizzle of the eel. Play that spooky music. Here we go. Crab bake, or I'm sorry, sushi bake 2.0 with real crab, some eel sauce, some extra seasoning, some avocado. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Thank you, Lord, for this meal is incredible. Ladies and gents, guys, when I tell you this is what it's supposed to be. Genuine reaction, watch your face.
Oh my God. I give the other one a 4 like an idiot.
The real crab, the avocado, I'm telling you that eel sauce, that's the sneaky link right there. That boy is coming in hot. On a scale of 1 to 5 stars, what are you giving it?
A 5. But since I gave the other one a 4, I would give this an 11.
Ladies and gentlemen, star scale, it's a 5. Like I said, the original one was good. All we did was just level it up with some extra flavor, a little better execution. And this right here is something that I promise you will love. Make this at your house. I don't know what else to say other than go to the fridge. Ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and grab yourself some chopsticks because this sushi bake, I'm not kidding, is probably the best thing that I have gotten off of TikTok yet. We obviously amped it up and leveled it up our way, but remember what I told you. Just go ahead and add whatever you like to your sushi bake. That way you make it the exact way that you love it. Hey, if you made it this far, please scroll down, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below and let me know what TikTok recipes you want me to remake. I probably have seaweed in my teeth, but who the hell cares? My name is Farnum. This is More Seasoning, and we are out. Hey, got a sushi bake. Put wasabi in your face. I be chugging garlic, babe. I swear ginger is my fave. Jamar finna cut me off. You finna stop.